Hi guys, it's Laura from Mad Mimi's Crochet and Farming, and I have an unboxing from Southern Skeins Knot Sock Yarn Club. I'm excited for this. Devil has opened it for me, or actually I take that back. I actually opened this one. So, let's see what's in here. Okay, now, I was told that it would be easier for me to open this for you guys because it's covered, but it's not covered. Does that make any sense? We'll find out. Okay, so here's this. And now all I should have to do is take this off and you guys can see. So how does it look? Is it something I like? Is it green? Or hopefully it's like orange or something really bright and vibrant. Okay, I'm closing it up so I can see what color it is. I feel yarn. Oh, chamomile tea and a little palmetto tree. Or is it a palm tree? I had palmetto trees. I think this one's a palm tree. Growing up, I had palmettos. And there's something else in here. Ooh, some lotion. We all need lotion. Check that out. Okay. Here's a piece of paper in here. Summer Nights is what it's called. June 2020, Southern Skeins Knot Sock Club. And there is 100 grams of the Southern Night, or Summer Nights. It's on sport weight yarn, so there's 262 yards. It's 50% merino and 50% bamboo. It's a palm tree stitch marker, lotion, and a tea bag. And there are 2 Ravelry pattern ideas. A bag and a cowl. So, let's see what it looks like. Summer Nights. What could that look like? It'd be dark with speckles, or to me, Summer Nights, the sun doesn't go down. I mean, we have sunset for like 3 hours and that's it. So, here we go. Ooh, that's kind of pretty. It has purples in it, kind of like the Northern Lights. Yep, there's purple and there's some gray and some darker gray. It might even be black. Now it looks like a darker gray with some pretty purples in it. Yeah, very, very pretty. I'll have to think of something. There's some more of the purples in there. Pretty. Of course, it's not orange, but it is still very pretty. Alrighty. That will go into a bag, and we will maybe pick it to get some, or I'm leaving the lotion out, but and I'm going to get the tea out. The tea is chamomile. but the stitch marker is going to stay in here, and when my devil fills up bags, he will put that in there with it, so I will have a stitch marker to use. So I am super excited. I do have one more unboxing to do, and that'll probably be tomorrow, maybe. We'll see. Alrighty, thanks guys for watching. Love you guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.